how exosomes could transform your skin and take your skincare journey to the next level. Hi, I'm Dr. Jasmine from Skin Hands Clinic in Patiala. Today, let's explore an innovative and fascinating topic. If you've been searching for advanced treatments to rejuvenate your skin and combat the signs of aging, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. You might be asking what exactly exosomes are and why is everyone talking about them in the world of skincare. Allow me to explain in simple terms. Exosomes are tiny, bubble like structures naturally produced by the cells in your body. While they may be microscopic, but their role is monumental. These incredible messenger cells help the cells to communicate with one another by transporting the critical information like protein, lipids, and genetic material. But what makes them revolutionary in the skincare is their ability to stimulate the regeneration and promote healing and enhance the overall skin health. Now, let's dive deeper into the ways exosomes can work wonders for your skin. First is stimulation of the collagen and elastin production. Collagen and elastin are the building blocks of youthful, firm, and radiant skin. As we age, the natural production of these vital components slows down, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Exosomes step in as a powerful stimulators, encouraging your skin to produce more collagen and elastin. This results in improved elasticity, firmness, and a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Second is promoting skin repair and regeneration. Whether you're dealing with acne scars, pigmentations, or uneven texture, exosomes can help. They encourage the skin to repair itself by speeding up the natural cell regeneration process. This means smoother, clearer, and healthier skin over time. Third, reducing inflammation and redness. Skin inflammation can cause redness, sensitivity, and even premature aging. Exosomes have anti inflammatory properties which help calm the irritated skin and create a balanced, harmonious environment for your skin to thrive, enhancing overall skin health. Beyond targeting specific concerns, exosomes improve your skin's resilience and overall health. They act as a reset button, rejuvenating your skin at a cellular level and giving you a radiant and youthful glow. So, exosome therapy involves application of concentrated solution of exosomes directly on the skin after the procedure like microneedling or fractional laser. The procedure is non-invasive and designed to deliver these powerful messenger where they are needed the most. Once introduced into the skin, the exosomes immediately get to the work, kickstarting your skin's natural repair and rejuvenation process. And now, why choose exosome therapy? The benefits are many. First is youthful, radiant skin. Exosomes boost your skin's natural healing mechanism, leaving you with luminous, youthful complexion. Second is targeted and effective. Whether it's wrinkles, scars, or dullness, exosome therapy addresses variety of skin concerns. Third is minimum downtime. Unlike surgical treatments, exosome therapy is quick with little or no recovery time needed. And fourth is long lasting results. The benefits of exosome therapy may last longer than traditional treatments as it works to improve your skin from deep within. It's important to note that exosome therapy is still a relatively new and advanced treatment, not available at every clinic. If you're in Patiala or nearby areas, you're at luck. At Skin Hands Clinic, we are proud to offer this cutting edge solution tailored to meet your unique skin needs. Whether you're looking to reverse the signs of aging or improve your texture or simply achieve that radiant glow, exosome therapy could be the perfect option for you. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this revolutionary treatment. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how exosome could transform your skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert skincare tips and advice. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Skin Hands Clinic.